Short Tigrinya grammar. ሰዋስው Tigrinya. We will continue with pronouns. Interrogative pronouns. Naiheto kendisem. Normally, we would study interrogative pronouns in this chapter. However, since there is little difference between interrogative pronouns, adjectives, and adverbs in Tigrinya, we will learn question words in Tigrinya in general. Let us categorize the key question words by purpose: people, things or actions, places or location, time, reasons, methods or degree.
Here, the question words are categorized.
ዝርዝር ናይ ሕቶ ቃላት ናይ ሰብ
People,
ናይ ነገራት
things,
ናይ ቦታ
place or location,
ናይ ግዜ
time,
ምክንያት
reason,
ኣገባብ ዓቕን
method or degree.
ናይ ሰብ
People,
መን
who,
ንመን
whom,
ናይ መን
whose,
ካብ መን
from whom,
ኣየናይ
which one,
እንታዋይ
which one,
ናይ ነገራት
things,
እንታይ
what,
ኣየናይ
which,
ናይ ቦታ
places or location,
ኣበይ
where,
ካበይ
from where,
ናበይ
where, moving to,
ናይ ግዜ
time,
መዓስ
when,
ካብ መዓስ
since when,
ሰዓት ክንደይ
at what time,
ምክንያት
reason,
ስለምንታይ
why,
ኣገባብ ዓቐን
methods or degree,
ከመይ
how,
ብኸመይ
how,
ክንደይ
how much,
ክንደይ
how many,
ክንደይ ርሕቀቱ
how far,
ክንደይ ይወስድ
how long,
ክንደይ ሳዕ
how often.
Follow the channel and share it with anyone who wants to learn Tigrinya.